Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Jean A. Coloma, 24 years old, married. I have 2 children. I graduate of vocational by computer system literacy.
Good day, Miss Jean. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
Honest, hardworking, and loving, Sir, Madam.
Since you're a mother, can you tell us the proper way taking care of your children?
By giving them nutritious food and proper hygiene and loving them as my own children.
So what if you commit mistake to your employer, what will you do?
I will say sorry to my employer and I promise that I will not do it again.
Any message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I needed this job badly and I promise that I will finish my contract for 2 years.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jean. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.